Ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Ka umdi basnyambat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Sophistication meets style. The stylish trendsetter Tata Curve SUV is in town. India's first coupe SUV is now in Shillong.
I just wanna be part of your symphony. We hold me tight and not let go. Rockabye, no.
Rockabye, rockabye. Rockabye, rockabye.
You gave me a chance, I would take it. It's a shot in the dark, but I'll make it. Long with a little hope, you can't shame me when I am with you. There's no place I'd rather be.
Yan mengsa chinong chong mota, sumoy lang se pangaha.
성리야 무쌍 봐 와서 본보는 놈
이렇게 하는 거가 속으로.
Yaga film Rapture lapan mi daka Ana Films jangu Dominic Sangma ubalong director rengkat ka jingkershan lang jong ka Shu Jian Xiang bat Sun Li nari China kumjuk ru ka Anu Rangachar u Harsh Agarwal u Aditya Grover bat u Stephen Zacharias na India. Kani ka film ka day siapang ukana red u bayok pang matla ha ka por miet ha ka snong ka bagi brio ki nget bagi nong wei ki wan ban ra ban rong ya ki brio na mentaban khayi ya ki dokno Dr. Jongki bat ru ka jinget bit. Ka film Rapture kala poi keleng ka perthai bat kala yok khusnam ru ha ki kattu kat ni ki kerdan. Ha ka Indian Film Festival of Melbourne ka balalong ha ka khat khandai tarik urisau arjar arpusau. Kani ka film kala yok ya ka Best Director Critics Choice Award. Ka film Rapture kala yok ru ya ka Best Cinematography Award. Ha ka Malaysia International Film Festival 2024. But ka Network for the Promotion of Asian Cinema lani ka Netpack Award. Ha Mami Mumbai Film Festival 2024. Lajit ya ka film Rapture na benta ka Asian Academy Awards kumjuk ru na benta ka Asia Pacific Screen Awards. Lapan Paidbah ru has Satyajit Ray Film and Television Institute Kolkata, Hatura, bat mentah hanong ba Shillong, hagabalapan Paidbah San Ngilenter, hau Soso Tham Auditorium, manhagani katayo, hagabada ki hajar ngut ki Rio 8 film, kilaya Tuid mania Peit yaka.
As an audience, you have seen this film, Rapture. It's an award-winning film. What do you think about it?
Oh, I think it was wonderful, many levels. The story started out slow, so as an audience, you might not know where it's initially heading, but slowly you start to really get a feel of the environment. So you're really cast into the depth of village life immediately. There are people hunting for cicadas. And then things start to get strange. There are cases of children going missing. And then, what starts off as a single person going missing then spirals into rumors. And then you see the politics of village life, as it were, People start taking advantage of other people's fears and their insecurities. Oh, it's very slow burn in that case. Because you start to see the complexity of the different characters. Especially the actor who played the pastor, I think it was a very rich character that way. And then there's a lot also left unsaid. The father of the child, his child goes missing, and he's always in two minds regarding whether he should go with what the rest of the villagers are saying or whether he should follow his own reason and rationale that way. And so, and the coffin maker is like the one very eccentric character in the film, And I suppose even in our own small towns or villages, where we still have relatives, you'll always find that one very eccentric character, someone who's very good with their hands and always creating machines, so it were. And so you also see that he's the one person who's really not involved. He doesn't care so much about what the rest of the people are saying, what the authorities are saying. So that's a mystery. There's you see the heavy-handedness of the way the police treat the villagers. You also see the heavy-handedness in the way they treat the migrants. So there's a lot going on also in terms of the larger politics in that area. I had the pleasure of meeting the director a few days ago, and he was telling me that parts of it are inspired, from the specific village where he grew up in, just overlooking Guwahati. And I think you see that geography also coming to light. This small rural hamlet, just on the doorstep of a large city. And that interaction between migrants and authorities and villagers, and more than that, the suspicions that are woven around in everyone's minds. I think all of it was brought out very well.
Great, Rahul. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Thanks for your input. Good.
I'm Gunme Marak from Tura. Dominic Sangma Rapture brought me here to Shillong.
Okay.
I came here all the way from Tura to support Dominic's Rapture. Yeah, Rapture is a good film, and it's a beautiful work of art. And Dominic Sangma's film had traveled to A-list film festivals, and it was screened in more than 100 theaters in France. And it's a beautiful work of art. I think it's a cultural extravaganza for all of us. Yeah, I think the story is in Garo language, but I think the characters, the situations, the events, I think it's universal. I think we all have this kind of problems and crises in all communities and societies all over the world. Yeah, it's a beautiful movie. It's a beautiful movie. It's and I think coming from the son of the soil of Meghalaya, I think all of us all of us must support the local artist, and all the art lovers should come and don't miss the opportunity of watching Rapture. And I think it has it has made a roadmap for the upcoming artists, the budding artists, and also the filmmakers of Northeast. And I think now the filmmakers from the Northeast is getting recognition in most of the film festivals because of Dominic's work of art. Yeah.
Great. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Dominic Sangma from India. I come from a northeastern part of India, which is Christianity dominated. My film is called Rapture. It is about every once in a 4 year, a rare kind of cicada, an insect, appear in the forest. Villagers go out at night to collect them because they're considered to be a rare delicacies. They're very good to eat. In one of this night, a boy disappeared, and the villagers couldn't find him. And at the same time, there is a report that kidnappers are roaming around the village for human organ transplant business, and they are believed to be sent by big hospitals in the city. At the same time, the church announces the arrival of Virgin Mary from Vatican City, which is coming to every Catholic church in all over the world, and the statue have a message that there will be darkness for 40 nights and 40 days, for 80 continuous nights, and there will be no light except the blessed candle by the priest. So there is a complete fear and chaos and frustration that happen in the whole village. And ultimately, one day, a stranger appeared in the village, which is catched by the villagers, and to vent their anger and frustration, they lynch him. And this is witnessed secretly by our main character called Khasan, a 10-year-old boy who suffers from night blindness. And when he witnessed one of the guy who murdered him, hold him up and justified and rationalized why they need to kill. So the film is about this.